Welcome, dear students, to this revision class on language skills. Today, we'll discuss blogs. How to write an effective blog. Before that, what is a blog? A blog is also called web blog. It's a journal that is frequently updated and intended for general public consumption. It consists of a title, body, a link, the date. You will find umpty number of blogs in the website, cooking blogs, travel blogs. It's a kind of article that can be updated every now and then. Come Like, you can add comments to it. You will have a title, the main title, or a heading for that blog, that particular post, then the main body, and sometimes there will be a URL or permanent link given. Date will be there. So for your exams, when you are writing, please give a title. If the topic is given for writing a blog, give a title appropriate to that situation or what is context that is given. Then write a body which should be very crisp, brief. You can add a link. Date should be there. Comments, categories, tags, they are all optional things. Blogs should contain your ideas organized in a very logical manner, and the voice and the choice of words should suit your audience. Language should be very fluent so that it should arrest the attention of the viewers. One the main thing is idea that you are trying to express through your blogs. It should have some sort of substance that interest people. Then organization, ordering ideas logically so that they make sense to the readers. Voice is the tone and style that you consciously choose to suit the target audience. You'll be writing for a particular audience. If it is cooking, if it is traveling, lifestyle blogs, if you are targeting kids, so the words should the choice of words and the style that you adopt should match the audience that you are targeting. Then the fluency of the language, it is to make the reading move with pace, flow, and rhythm. And the presentation is the preparation of the written message in a way that attracts readers' attention. Write with the reader in the mind. That is the key to write an effective blog. The content should be valuable, worthwhile, and people shouldn't feel that they have wasted time in reading that. Proofread for typographical errors and for grammatical errors. It should be made short and simple, because lengthy blogs means that it is uninteresting. So make it lively, interesting, short, and crisp. Style should be direct and crispy. Write like you are speaking to your friend. You can use very informal language, just to get the points quickly without any superfluous elements involved. Keep in mind the five W's in the first paragraph: who, what, why, when, where. So when you are writing a blog for your exam, you need to remember these things. Make it crisp, come to the point, write in informal language without any grammatical errors. You can add links to it, keywords can be added. Write short sentences, only one concept per sentence. Please avoid compound sentences while writing a blog, and no jargons, not more than one idea in one sentence, as you don't want to confuse the reader. You can use colloquial language as well, common expressions. The headline should be very clear. Don't be afraid to make bold statements. The basic guidelines for writing a blog is to keep your copy lively, factual, tight, clear, crisp, short, and search engine optimized. This is an example for a blog. Saunter Girl is a personal blog which represents, which reflects the life of let's see an example of a blog. The Saunter Girl is a personal blog. You can see an example here. For example, this willpower to live. So let's see how we can write a blog. So first you need to have a title. So the title here is Willpower to Live, and the date is given December 2019. So when you are asked to write a blog, give a title and give a date, and then start writing, maybe in a few paragraphs depending upon the marks. If it is a 4-mark question, write almost a page. One page would be enough. So you can have different paragraphs, like small lines, in very informal language. You can write about your personal experience. You can reflect on abstract things. Here just I will read through this blog. After a week of doing night shift, I am walking home. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. On a usual day, I would go straight home, eat, and go to sleep. It's in a very informal way of letting the other person know what is going on in the mind of this young girl. So this is how you can write a blog. 2-3 paragraphs would be enough, and you can end with your signature or your name. So this is how you can write a blog. So the format, and it's somewhat similar to a diary entry. You can say how you record your personal experience, and you can have cooking blogs as well, travel blogs, something regarding travel. You can share a recipe. The title would be that of a vanilla cake. You can give a date. There will be a section for comments as well. This is how you can write a blog for your exam. Thank you.